Thank you for the opportunity to testify regarding EPA's proposed multi-pollutant standards for light and medium-duty vehicles. My name is Mike Spagnola. I'm the President and CEO of the Specialty Equipment Market Association. SEMA represents over 7,000 U.S. businesses that manufacture and sell parts and accessories that improve performance, function, and style of motor vehicles. 95% of our membership are considered small businesses. The specialty automotive industry that I've worked for over 40 years is driven by passion, innovation, and employs over 1 million Americans. While the automotive's roots are tied to the internal combustion engine, SEMA prides itself on maintaining a forward-looking vision that embraces new technology, including EVs and other zero-emissions vehicles. The specialty automotive aftermarket has led the way on alternative fuel innovations, from replacing older engine technologies with newer, cleaner versions to convert older ICE vehicles to new electric, hydrogen, and other alternative fuels. Sadly, the EPA's plans to reduce greenhouse gases and criteria pollutants do not factor this in. SEMA and its members have serious concerns with this proposal, which aggressively seeks to lower carbon emissions under timelines that effectively make electric vehicles the de facto choice for automakers to meet the requirements. Government should not pick winners and losers. This far too fast mandate will create a seismic shift for small business who don't have the capacity to make the shift this quickly, especially when they're not receiving billions in government funds like the large automakers are to fund the electric vehicle programs. To put this in perspective, 33% of consumer spending on performance and accessory products goes towards upgrading ICE engines and drivetrains. That's nearly $17 billion of the $51 billion specialty aftermarket industry. That's $17 billion of impact, largely on small businesses. The future of the automotive technology and its inflection point is right now. We must get this right for both the environment and the American economy. The EPA should pause this proposal and embrace a technology-neutral approach that factors in the infrastructure that exists, consumer preferences, and holistically look at the broader opportunity that a device technology approach can have on reaching emissions goals. Thank you.